Hello. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change package name in Android Studio. So for us to be able to begin, just open Android Studio onto your device and open the project when you want to go ahead and try to change the package name. So for us to be able to begin, since we're already in here, as you can see here under Kotlin plus Java, we have in here the name of our package. So we should be able to see that one also in here under build.gradle module app in here. So we'll try to open this. And you should be able to see in here that it is named application sample in namespace. So for us to be able to go ahead and change this, you'll just have to right click in here under this file folder under Kotlin plus Java, and you'll just have to refactor that. So we have to rename that. So you could ahead and try to choose all directories in here so that it will automatically change the others as well. And instead of application sample, we could name this new sample. Then right after, just click on refactor, and as you can see, it will refactor and change all of this. So you'll just have to wait for this one to be done. And as you can see, it has been changed already in here. So both of them has new sample as their name in here. And if you've noticed here under namespace, this one is still using the application sample. Just go ahead and try to change this with a new project name, which is new sample. So feel free to do this to all of the things in here so that it will apply and just sync this so that it should automatically change the package name in your Android Studio easily. And if you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.